Hello, guys. I saw my friend video eating exploring the haunted place in Estonia, Emily. I live in Estonia too. I just woke up at the 8 p.m. Look, no, I saw my friend call the and when you guys like my video, I will do a haunted explore like my friend do because I have a haunted place in here too, guys. I'm not serious. Like my friend do. Friends. Bro, I have three friends. One is tall and and one is tinier. Just no. Make sure like this video. Will I not doing the haunted explorer because we have Lehola in haunted place. Make sure like. Bye.